In this video, I will show you how you can use GoHighLevel for real estate. So GoHighLevel has many different features and it's kind of hard to get started with, but in this video I'll just show you how you can get started with GoHighLevel for any kind of real estate business. Now first of all, if you haven't yet started your free trial, then if you sign up through the link in the description, you will get a 30-day free trial instead of GoHighLevel's usual 14 days. So go and click on the link in the description and that will take you to this page. From here, simply go and create your account. It will only take a few minutes, and after doing that you will get to your agency dashboard right here. Now to get started, simply go and click sub accounts. And now here there's one really important step that you want to go and do. First, just click add sub account in the top right. Now from here you have snapshots. Now a snapshot is basically a collection of templates for a specific type of business. For example, here you have an auto dealer or sales business, then you have a chiropractor, but we're just going to search for real estate. And now here you can see real estate agents. So go and click select and continue. And now you'll get a bunch of templates for emails, SMS messages and workflows, funnels, websites and more, specifically tailored to real estate agents. So now here simply enter your business address, then here go and enter your account info, and then here click on save. So after you do this, go and click on switch to sub account in the top right, and then you will get to your dashboard right here. Now from within your sub account is where you can actually manage your real estate business using GoHighLevel. So that means that you can manage conversations, manage your website, do marketing, and basically anything that you will need. So right here what you can go and do is click on Launchpad, and then here you have some steps that you can take. So first, if you have a WordPress website, then you can go and connect it to your GoHighLevel right here, which I do recommend. Then you can go and connect your Google My Business, your Facebook, and Facebook is really helpful if you are running Facebook ads, because then when you get a lead through your Facebook ads, they will be automatically entered into your GoHighLevel contacts, and then you can just let them go through your workflows. Now you can also generate leads from your website by connecting WebChat widget if your website is not on WordPress. However, you can also create a really good looking website using GoHighLevel, and I'll show you how you can do this. Now first, right here you have your dashboard, then conversations. So these are conversations with leads across many different platforms. Then you have your calendar. So you can send booking links and you can create a new calendar if you want. You have your contacts where you can add manually or you can just import them right here. You have a pipeline with opportunities, and of course you can go and customize these stages. But what's really good about a snapshot with GoHighLevel is, for example, if I head into automation here, you will see I have some marketing workflows such as a new lead nurture right here. So for example, if I go and open up this one, you can see that if somebody comes in through my Facebook lead form or when they claim an offer from my funnel or website, they will be added to a new lead stage. They will be added as an opportunity in the new lead stage. They will be added to a long-term nurture workflow. An email and SMS will be sent to them. So you can see the email right here. So this is what it will look like. Now everything right here will be populated automatically. But for example, to have the first name of the contact, and it will say thank you for claiming our whatever your offer is, etc. So then they will just automatically go through this entire workflow, which is really good. Now I also want to show you the funnels and the website. So to go there, just click sites right here, and they have two different versions here. So they have a real estate offer and real estate services. So just pick the one that best applies to you. For example, I'll go with the services here. Then here you can see the funnel steps. So this one has 5 pages. So you can just click view page right here, and now here you can see what this will look like. Now of course you want to go and add your own logo, your own text, even your own images, but this is really helpful and will save you a bunch of time because you can simply go and drag in images and then you don't need to go and create everything from scratch. Now if you go back to your funnels right here, you can also click new funnel and then from template, and now right here in the categories, if you go and select real estate, you will see they have a bunch of real estate funnel templates. For example, sell real estate services, real estate design, property lead, mortgage programs, real estate photography, and a bunch more. And you can simply load more, just find one that you need, and these are all really good. Now these are funnels, but you also have the website, so you can click websites there. Now here you will see they already have one, which is real estate wholesaling. So again, you can go and view all the pages, see if this is good for you, or you can go and click on new website, and again from templates, Then here again select real estate, and then you also have a bunch of websites for real estate businesses. For example, I will pick the real estate property here, and then you can go and click on continue, and now it will be adding this template and basically adding this website to your GoHighLevel account. Then you can add your own custom domain and you can publish it. And for example, if you have a lead form in this website, then the leads that will be collected from there will be automatically added to your pipeline. They will be automatically sent emails and SMS messages. You just need to set it up once correctly, and once you've done that, it will just run on autopilot. So you can see the website right here. I'll just go and preview it. So you can see this template is for selling homes, and you can see those right here. Now these are all rentals, but this looks really good in my opinion. Then they can also go to services, properties, contact us, etc. Now if I click properties, you can see it will take them to this page right here, and then you can also do, for example, a pop-up form where they can enter their information in order to get contacted by your business and stuff like that. So GoHighLevel is a pretty all-in-one solution for real estate businesses. It has so many features. You can also go to marketing, where you can do email and SMS marketing. You can go to manage your social media businesses right here, etc. So I definitely recommend giving GoHighLevel a try. It can be pretty hard to get started, but they do offer free consultations and getting you started when you create your account. So I recommend doing that. And if you want to do that and get a 30-day free trial instead of 14 days, then go to click on the link in the description to get started with GoHighLevel. So now you know how to use GoHighLevel for real estate. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.